Hi, my name is David Wallen, founder and CEO of Intric. At Intric, we have built an AI platform for Europe's most important organizations. For us, important organizations are those that underpin the very society that we live in. For example, the public sector and organizations that are subject to strict compliance and security requirements. Let's have a look.
A central concept in the platform is agents. They are a combination of an AI model, internal or external data, as well as a range of different tools that can give the agent specialized capabilities or enable them to interact with other IT systems. Once in the platform, I'm met by a general chat window as well as my specialized agents, which help me with various administratively heavy tasks in my daily work. For example, searching across a wide range of sources or intranets for information. They can create material for decision support or data analysis. They can take meeting notes or even do full process automation. In order to succeed with groundbreaking technology like AI, a key component is required, and that is collaboration. Our platform enables collaboration in two different ways. The first way, internally within the organization. You can share agents that work well with your colleagues, between teams, or even distribute them to the entire organization. The second way is collaboration between organizations, and we've built functionality so that our customers can share agents with each other. Being able to use an agent or an automation that someone else has built and validated without sharing the data is the perfect solution to avoid having to reinvent the wheel. All of this is possible with just a few clicks. We've seen that the AI journey is characterized by continuous learning and have designed the platform to be able to seamlessly go from learning to putting things into production and actually create value on the bottom line. It's important that one can make that journey in a safe way. And for this to happen, three things need to be taken into consideration: security, compliance, and fundamentally, it's about the organization having control. A large part of being secure comes from having control over the data that you process. We've built the entire platform without any dependencies on American vendors or cloud-specific services, and the entire platform runs in our European cloud. It is even run by some customers on-prem or even air-gapped, which means completely disconnected from the internet. In today's complex regulatory environment, with both GDPR and now also the EU AI Act, it is not enough to just have control over the data. You need to also be conscious of the risk levels for the intended use cases and what measures you are required to have in place. In the platform, administrator can control logging and storage policies directly on the agents in order to match the requirements that your organization has. You can also see all intended actions that have been performed by individual users in the platform in order to ensure full traceability. On a fundamental level, safety is about the organization having control. A few more examples of this is that you can control which AI models are used, how much, and for what use case. You can create different security classes where different AI models and tools are available, dependent on the sensitivity of the data that is being processed. You can also implement role-based access control to the agents and the data that they use. Simply put, it's about creating frameworks that are set centrally, where the rest of the organization can be creative within those frameworks.
In summary, Intric is a platform for creating value with AI in a simple and safe way. If this sounds interesting, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you so much.